What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, what's inside that box right there is the front flares for the S2K. So we're about to go and cut into the front fenders and get this flare kit all adjusted up and ready to go. So if everything goes as planned today and everything fits properly, tomorrow when I wake up, I'm gonna send it to the paint shop, get everything painted, hopefully have it back by at least Tuesday or Wednesday. And then we get this car on the road and looking clean again, man. I cannot wait. I also ordered spacers for the rear. I don't know if I'm gonna use it, to be honest with you, but I just rather check and see if I like it or not. But let's open up the box and hurry up and get to the shop because I feel like it's gonna rain. It was raining earlier and it stopped, so I don't know. But I'm gonna open this box because that box cannot fit in the car. So we're gonna open it up, check and see what's in there, make sure everything's copacetic, and then boom, we out of here. Woo. Yeah. Yeah, money. This already looks way clean. Oh, this looks good. It looks good, but hopefully it fits good, right? That's the main thing. It can look as good as it wants, but if it doesn't fit good, then, you know, we SOL. But this is the same company I got my Voltex bumper from, and my Voltex bumper fits really well, so I have a lot of faith in this. So hopefully once this thing gets put on, it looks great. All right, let's get out of here. That red interior, boy, that thing looks good. Whew. Whew. How are you doing today? Ah, it is hot, man. Do I want to roll with the windows or do I not want to roll with the windows? I don't know. I'm gonna just cool off for a little bit. It's hot, bro. It's hot. This song right here is tough. Just with these tires alone, I can already feel the difference in the way it drives. Obviously, right now, the car definitely needs an alignment because everything's gonna be out of whack because I move stuff around and whatnot, but like, once I get this car aligned, oh, it's gonna be perfect. It's gonna be rubbing a little bit because of the tires, but where I'm going is not far. See, this is the perks of having air suspension. You can go over any speed bump, no problem. This street that I'm on, it literally has speed bumps, like every 25 feet. So, I got my car set to a nice ride height, and I am able to clear it. All right, we just made it to the location. Worm over there. Damn. Alright, so I'm about to do the taping, and then after that should be able to do the cutting and getting straight to it. Main is back there. He's working on a Nissan Rogue. Alright, so we about to start the wheel process. All right, so the plan is we're gonna cut just little by little by little and see where we could get the fitment and everything like that. Then once we know for sure how everything's supposed to be bolted up, we're gonna do the full cut, boom. Slap on the flares, boom, and we should be good money. So right now he's testing it. This is why you gotta come to Blueprint, man. He does the extra mile, measurements and all.
We're gonna fuck shit up.
How does it feel cutting into your first car?
Well, this won't be the first. This won't be the last. Mada!
Like right here. We gotta pop out that pop it out. Lift it up. Yeah, when you lift it up, look how far it will go.
Let's get it to sit flatter first. Let me get that.
Damn.
Damn, Gina.
All right, so right now we're doing the rivet set. Let's just pull that tape. So earlier I went to Harbor Freight and I picked this up. So what is this? The threaded insert rivet kit. And then I found some screws to go with it. So until I find like a nice set that's all even, I'm just gonna rock these. I was gonna go with Downstar, but Downstar is really expensive. But I might still do it once, you know, everything's said and done. Because right now, like I said, I've been spending mad money on all of this. And the rivets could wait. They could wait. So I'm gonna just wait on that for a little while and just stick with the Harbor Freight stuff that I got.
Lock the door back?
Yeah. Just finished up the rivet right here. Perfect fitment, boy. Nice. Nice. Oh, this looks so good.
Okay, world. So, first time doing a wide body, and looks like it came out flawless. Took our time and went little by little. And look at that. Imagine this thing with some paint on it and some dress-up hardware. Beautiful. So stay tuned to Blueprint Auto.
And make sure you guys go subscribe to my boy. I'm gonna put his channel in the description. Even though he don't upload like I tell him to, y'all go subscribe to his channel. He got mad work up there that you guys should check out. This is what it looks like before. I'm gonna show you guys a trick. And now this is what it looks like after. You won't be able to get a better look at it until you see it in the daylight. But this thing looks amazing. Amazing. Looks like it has clearance. I'm pretty sure when it comes down, when I air it down a little bit, it's gonna be able to have more. But yeah, it looks really good. Oh man, this rain is killing us. But I didn't get to finish the passenger side, so I'm probably gonna finish it up tomorrow. So I don't know if I'm gonna end the vlog here or what, but I gotta go home, get cleaned up, cause your boy's mad dirty. Right now it's raining out here, it's going crazy. But look at that front fitment, y'all. That front fitment looks crazy. I'm trying to get it out the umbrella. It's sitting literally right where I want it to be. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, let's hurry up and get everything out of the car so that way I can get out this rain. This rain is on 100 right now, man. It's been raining for like the past like month, bro, like almost every day, on and off. Like, it's annoying as hell.